by law, a team has to make 5 substitutes in a match after COVID. Now, if we look at the substitute with 3 opportunities, right, Chiefs made a substitute on the 46 minutes, which is halftime. So halftime is not an opportunity. There's no opportunity. Halftime, one
is one of the 5.
Doesn't count.
Okay.
It counts as one of the 5, but not as an opportunity where you're stopping a game, because the game is stopped automatically by halftime.
Okay.
Right. Now, the second sub was Mayo Dupree on the 79 minute, so which is one opportunity.
Okay.
The second opportunity was Shabalala Sirino on the 88 minute. But opportunity, they still have one if the match go to extra time, because they've not exhausted. And when it goes to extra time, they still have another, they can still add another sub to make it 6. So now, what happens during extra time? They took Lilepo out on the 119th minute, and also Mteto, now, which makes it 5. Now they still have one more that they can make.
Do they have one more substitution they can make, but do they have one more opportunity?
No opportunities, they are done. No, they still have an opportunity, but they decided to make 3 at the same time. If you can check here, it's 119 and 120, which is fine. Now, we saw the goalkeeper, Ntwari, indicating that I'm going nowhere. It's under page 53 of the FIFA laws of the game. It says, if a player who's being substituted refuses to leave, play continues. So Ntwari refused to leave. Referee Jelly Chabani went to tell them, angafuni ukuhamba lo mhlekazi, siyaqhubeka thina.
So the law allows for players to decide if they want to leave or not.
It's on the team. So the law says if he refuses, if the referee says Puma, and then Atinomina Puma, like what happened to Ntwari, the referee does not have power to say, hey, Puma, if I don't go out, I'm going to give you a yellow card.
So there's no forcing a player to
There's
leave.
no forcing a player.